that bad. My walk from the front door to the back door. There's very little snow in between the houses. It has drifted up, as you can see, high on the side, but below my feet you can still see the grass. The telephone boxes in the backyard are nearly covered, but the fire pit is completely visible. Now, getting to the drift, or through the drift, that is in front of the barbecue pit, is going to be a little bit more difficult. And the snow is up to my knees, and my feet aren't going all the way down. But you can see the drifting. And we're by the neighbor's house, then the grass is again visible, and his air conditioner is visible, whereas mine and the cable dish are completely covered.